It's cooking time again! Ngayon po ay magluluto tayo ng nilagang baka or beef stew, Pinoy style. And here are the ingredients. Meron po tayong cabbage or repolyo, corn, meron din po tayong saging na saba, sibuyas, and onion leaves. We also have pechay or bok choy, optional. Then salt and pepper. At ang main ingredient po natin ng beef, ribs part. Ito po ay pinakuloon ko last night. And then overnight, nagbuo po yung melted fats na parang candles. Tinanggal ko po yon, so para hindi po medyo nakakatakot kainin ang ating nilagang beef. A little bit healthier. Ngayon, nag-preheat po ulit ako ng ating beef, and since malambot na po yung ating beef, ay idadagdag ko na ang ating other ingredients, which are the corn, the banana, saging na saba, and then the spring onions. Halo-haloin lang po natin para magsama-sama yung halo ng pagsama-sama yung lasa ng mga ingredients. And of course, black pepper. Oops, munting nang maiwan ang ating onions. And then we're gonna add salt. Ito po yung dami ng salt, depende po sa preferred saltiness. At kung medyo napaalat po yung paglagay niyo ng salt, ang remedy po is to add more water. And this one seems okay. Then takpan lang po natin at pakuluan po natin ng mga another 3 minutes. Ayan. Check po natin kung medyo malambot na po yung corn and yung banana, which I think they are. So kapag malambot na po yung corn and banana, it's time for us to add the cabbage, the repolyo. Ayan, medyo malambot na po yung repolyo at idadagdag na rin po natin ang ating bok choy or pechay. Ito pong bok choy ay pechay ay pinakulang ko sa separate kaserola. Medyo mahaba po kasi kaya sineparate po yung pagkapakulo, and then we add this to our nilaga, and then add some more soup or water para mas marami po tayong sabaw. And pretty much this is finished now. Ito na po ang ating nilagang baka. Wow, look at that. Kung mapapansin po ninyo, yung pong sabaw natin, wala pong masyadong presence of fatty oil. So although itong food na to ay hindi masyadong healthy, it's healthier in a way dahil natanggal po natin yung mga manti-mantika. Alright? Thank you po sa panonood and I hope you will watch all my other videos. Bon appetit!